Beach foods are usually pretty simple, but they need to be stored correctly. Here are 8 beach hacks for food for your next trip to the shore. Number 1. Containers fit everything. Containers make it easier to pack your cooler, and they keep sand out of your food. Number 2. Consider 2 coolers. With the dual cooler strategy, you can dedicate one to beverages and one to food items. You'll also be able to grab drinks from one cooler while keeping food colder in the other. Number 3. Finger foods rule the day. It's easier to pass out small plates to pile up with finger foods. Finger foods don't require a plate or utensils like other foods do. Number 4. Start with cold food. It will be much easier to keep your drinks and food cool if your food starts out cold in the first place. Prepare by putting your food in the refrigerator the night before. This will lessen the burden on your ice packs. Number 5. Create a cooler zone. Create a cooler zone that serves as the central location where you'll buzz around as you play and relax. This is the area where you'll hang out when it's time for a drink or a meal. What does a cooler zone look like for a beach day? Set up an umbrella. Your food and drinks will stay colder longer in the shade than under the blazing sun. Spread out your beach blanket. Once your umbrella is set up, spread out a beach blanket and place the cooler on top. Enjoy your food sand-free. Number 6. Keep it closed. Keep your cooler closed as much as possible throughout the day. Number 7. Alternative ice packs. Ice is essential in a cooler, but you might feel like you are wasting space by adding ice packs that can't be consumed. Instead, freeze your water bottles. They will thaw slowly, so they'll turn from ice packs into cool drinks. Number 8. Fill it up. Fill up your cooler as thoroughly as possible when packing up for the beach. Food and drinks will stay cooler when more is packed together, as opposed to keeping your cooler half empty. Next time you head to the shore, try one of our beach hacks for food. Maybe you'll even think of one we didn't list here.